If it looks like I'm walking in place right now, it's because I am. I'm on a treadmill, which honestly feels a lot like how most creators are running their newsletter in Kit. You're technically moving, writing broadcasts, sending newsletters, maybe launching here and there, but you're not actually getting anywhere. Subscribers getting pitched stuff they already bought, your welcome sequence talks to everyone like they're the same person, and your evergreen content, well, it's not exactly evergreen if you keep logging in to resend it. Here's the fix. I'm running a 4-week live cohort where we will build your entire personalized email engine inside your Kit. I call it a creator engine. But really, it's a self-driving, revenue-generating, segmentation-powered newsletter machine that makes your current setup look like it's stuck in reverse. We'll take everything you got, your lead magnets, your offers, your content, and turn it into a flywheel that delivers personalized emails automatically. Every subscriber gets a unique experience from the moment they opt in, to the welcome sequence that matches their intent, to pitch funnels that adapt based on what they've seen, clicked, or bought, to months of evergreen content that still feels fresh because it's built with logic, not guesswork. This is the same system my done-for-you clients pay thousands for, but in this cohort, we're gonna build it together for a fraction of that cost. You'll get live sessions with me, templates, walkthroughs, office hours, and a system you actually understand because you built it right. So if you're using Kit and you're tired of sending generic emails to a smart audience, this is your moment. Join the cohort, build a creator engine that moves with purpose, and finally, get off the email treadmill.